Good morning, children. Today I'm going to start new chapter chemical bonding and molecular structure. So today's topic is chemical bonding. Chemical bonding atoms are the smallest particle of matter which may or may not be capable of independent existence. A molecule is formed when two or more atoms of the same or different elements combine chemically. Noble gases or inert gases generally do not combine chemically with any other elements as they have stable electronic configuration. So you can see elements like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon all are noble gases having atomic number 2, 10, 18, 36 and 54 and its electronic configuration except helium all are having 8 electron in its their outermost cell. So in this way, all the noble gases have stable electronic configuration. Ions are electrically charged species formed by donating or accepting electrons. Atoms form ion to attain a noble gas configuration like chlorine negatively charged ion and sodium positively charged ion. Sodium positively charged ion remove one outermost electron to form cation. And now number of proton in sodium is 11. So cation is a positively charged ion. For example, sodium ion, it is smaller than the parent atom but has the same atomic number as that of the parent atom and it has a noble gas configuration and is formed by metal. Anion, as chlorine gas, chlorine atom added one more electron in outermost cell and formed anion. Now there are 17 protons and 18 electrons in anion form. So anion is negatively charged ion and is formed by non-metal. For example, chlorine ion, it is a larger than parent atom and it has a stable gas configuration and its atomic number remain the same. Classification of bond. Bond are two types. Ionic bonds are electrovalent bond and second one covalent bond. A bond is a force of attraction between two atoms. Chemical bond is mainly classified into two, that is ionic and covalent. An ionic bond is formed between two dissimilar atoms by gain or loss of electron, for example sodium chloride. Sodium remove one electron to form sodium chloride and magnesium donate its two outermost electron to form magnesium 2 ion. So properties of ionic compounds like sodium chloride, copper sulfate, potassium permanganate and ferrous sulfate all are exist in solid form and all are colorful salt. Properties of ionic compounds, they are hard and brittle and ionic compounds are soluble in water but they are not soluble in benzene. Melting point of ionic compounds are high. So in this module, you have learned atoms are smallest particles of matter which may or may not be capable of independent existence. A molecule is formed when two or more atoms of same or different elements combine chemically. The elements combine chemically so as to attain a noble gas configuration. In order to achieve this configuration, atoms take or give or share the electrons. Ions are electrically charged species formed by donating or accepting electrons. Atom, group of atom are compounds. An ionic bond is formed between two dissimilar atoms by gain or loss of electrons. Thank you.